Unraveling the Meaning of Throw Up, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic in store for you. We are going to delve into the meaning of the phrase, throw up, a common expression used in English. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these kinds of phrases is crucial for fluent communication. So, stay tuned as we explore the different meanings and uses of throw up together. The phrase, throw up, can be understood literally, where throw refers to the act of propelling something through the air with force, and up refers to the direction opposite to the force of gravity. Combined, throw up literally means to propel something into the air. However, in English, this phrase is more commonly used in a metaphorical sense. One of the most common uses of throw up is to refer to the act of vomiting. When someone is feeling nauseous or sick, they might say, "I feel like I'm going to throw up." It's a more informal and somewhat gentler way of referring to this bodily function, and it's widely understood among English speakers. In addition to referring to vomiting, throw up can also be used in different contexts. For instance, building or construction. They managed to throw up a building in just a few months. Here, throw up means to construct something quickly, producing quickly or hastily. She had to throw up a report in an hour. This implies quickly putting together a report. Creating a barrier. They had to throw up a barricade during the protest. This means quickly assembling a barrier for protection or to block an area. Now, let's see how we can use throw up in sentences. 1. I was feeling so sick last night. I thought I was going to throw up. 2. The team worked overnight to throw up a prototype of the new design. 3. After the accident, workers had to throw up roadblocks to divert traffic. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the intended meaning of throw up in different situations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the phrase, throw up. We hope this video helps clarify the different meanings and uses of this common English expression. Remember, the context in which the phrase is used plays a significant role in determining its meaning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and you'll keep improving. Happy learning!